So you might be in a position where for some reason your visual voicemail of your iPhone is just not working. Now what does that mean? Well, maybe your visual voicemail of your phone just isn't actually getting new voicemails. Maybe it's not even showing like it is for me. Well, if it's not showing at all like it is how it's not showing for me, that basically means one, you have no SIM card installed in your phone. Two, either your phone reset and it doesn't discover the SIM card or eSIM that's installed, or three, you don't have the visual voicemail option for your cell provider. So if we take a look at the last option, that's number one, it looks like visual voicemail may be a paid feature and something you have to pay for on your cell plan. So if you don't have that specific cell plan available for visual voicemail, the only option you have is that you will have to basically call your phone number. So you have to call whatever your number is and then type in your passcode for your voicemail, and you'll be able to hear the voicemails from there. But for visual voicemail, it might be a paid feature within your provider. Sometimes it's free. You'll have to contact them and kind of see what's going on there. Now, if it worked before and it's not working now, I would recommend just double checking your SIM card connection. If you have a physical SIM card on your phone, go ahead and take it out, plug it back in, and see if that ends up kind of addressing or fixing some issues. What you can also do is if you have an eSIM, just double check that eSIM, call your provider, make sure everything is working on their end. And on top of that, you may want to also make sure that there's not a cell service tower down in your area either. A lot of the times, if there's like a cell server down, if there's like a T-Mobile server that's down or whatever, that can cause effects. Here we have like Verizon and T-Mobile that were causing issues earlier. So if they were having issues, you might not even be able to get voicemails because they're just messed up. So you're going to have to wait until they fix their issues on their end. Another thing you can try doing, looks like AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon were messed up. Another thing you can try doing too is putting your phone on airplane mode. So just go ahead and throw your phone on airplane mode just like this. You can keep Bluetooth on, it's not really going to matter too much. Give it a few moments, and then after a few moments, you want to go ahead and boot this thing back open. Go ahead and get back into your Wi-Fi connection right there. And from there, you'll basically hopefully see that the things are working now, and you can basically check your voicemail. If that's still not working, you may also want to see if there's an update available for your iPhone. So go inside of your iPhone settings like this. You want to go and click on General. You want to go and click on Software Update. And once again, you just want to go ahead and see if you're able to update your iPhone. For a lot of people, this is probably all you're going to have to do as well, and that hopefully will end up fixing the problem for you too. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. You can restart your phone too, but that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.